Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Get out of there, fly. Don't drop that Hey, don't drop that Don't drop that You like that chance? Don't drop that Don't drop that Don't drop that No? Well, fuck you. And y'all gonna quit knocking my damn fly strips over now. Look at it, stuck to the fucking floor like trailer trash. Got a fly strip in this beautiful tack room. Flies. Got your ass, huh? Got your motherfucking ass. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Hi, hush lady. Now, hush Manny. You gonna quit strolling that damn hay everywhere if I bust your ass. Hey, old lady. Hello. Hey, Wookie. Wookie, wear a damn boot. Oh, bootless ass. Hey, dog. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey, Foos. Here. Big ass. Hey, mama. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Shit is hot. Open sesame, ho, shit. Now what in the absolute Sam hell is you doing out? When you get your ass ate, I don't want to hear nothing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not. You might try your mama, but you ain't gonna try me. Hold on now, shit. Go on in there, be quiet. Here, go on. Have a good day. Make good decisions. Don't bring your little ass out here. Y'all don't understand English? God almighty. It's hotter than a whore in church on Easter Sunday. You little babies, go eat. What the hell? Both of y'all don't need to be on up in here. Give me your fucking eggs. One for me. Shut up. Oh, big ass. 2 for me. 3 for me. Don't peck me, I will send your ass to damn KFC, and you know I will, so don't play with me. Thank you very much. Thank you for your contribution. Fuck, it's hot. What y'all doing? Y'all got food? Okay. Whew. God almighty. Okay. Oh, my legs hurt. Don't drop that dun. I'm gonna get y'all some water. Let me water y'all. Well, I'm gonna fill up your little watering hole. Oh, my shit leaking. Oh my. God damn it. How the hell? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Don't you go under that, you little stupid bitch. Winnie! 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 Winnie, get your... Winnie, come on. You ain't supposed to be out here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Thank you, lady. Come on. Winston, come on. Come on. Winston. Winston. Winston, I'm not playing with you. Winston. Winston, let's go. Winston. 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 Winston, go on in your... Come on now. Hey, Winnie. Oh my God. Come on. Yeah. Winnie. Shit. Winnie. 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 Oh, Jesus. Winnie. Winnie. Come on, Winnie, Winnie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, fat girl. About big back ass. Come on, Winnie, Winnie. Come on, Winston. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, now, play with me. Shit. Shit. It's so fucking hot. I'm about to have full thrombosis. I'm about to have deep vein thrombosis out here. Shit. I'm about to have full deep vein thrombosis. That God almighty shit! Whew. Without a cool off. Oh my God. I hope y'all know how much I love you. Raggedy asses. Okay, I gotta get that fucking chicken. You ain't supposed to be out here and you know it. Whew. Don't play with me. Got your ass. Try your mama, hoe, not me. Shut up, bitch. This heat truly is a terroristic threat. I don't think it used to be this hot. Finna duct tape this bitch on you. Since you wanna pull shit off. Come here, Wookie. Wookie? What did I say? I'm not playing with you. Stop. 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 Wookie, don't play with me. Wookie, what did I say? You motherfucker. I got eggs in my pocket. Ooh, you need some medicine, girl. Come here and stop. Wookie, would you stop? Ho. Ho. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Do you understand me? I'm not the one to be played with. See, No, sir. No, sirree. We won't do none of it. We won't. I'm not the one to be played with, Wookie. You want to keep tearing your boots off? You want to act like a child? I'm going to treat you like a child. Ow! You motherfucking hoe. Act like a toddler. I'm going to treat you like a toddler. Take them off again. You see everybody else got their boots on? You're gonna get ate up by flies. Take them off again, and I'm gonna knock the hell out of you. You understand? I love you. Ooh. You have got to be fucking kidding me. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. What the fuck? What the fuck? My eggs broke in my damn pockets. I hate it here. I hate it here.